In this video, I'm looking at finding the 5-number summary of this data here, which is the resting pulse rate of 20 female athletes. A 5-number summary is simply a list of the minimum value, the first quartile, the median, write that a little neater, the median, the third quartile, and the maximum. So the easiest way to find these things is to put them all in order. So let's see if we can find our smallest one, which looks like it's going to be 34. So we'll have 34, and then we're going to have, say, 38. And I've even found an even smaller number. We have 30. And we have, after 38, we have no more 30s, so let's look at the 40s. I have a 40, I have a 42, looks like I've got a 43, and we can follow that up by a 44 and a 45, 44, 45. What do we got? We got a 47 and two 48s. Two 48s. We need a, so next is a 50, 51, 52, 50, 51, 52. We then have a 54. Oh, and there's another 52. So we have 52 again, 54. Getting to the end, we have two 61s, a 62 and a 71. So two 61s, a 62 and a 71. Okay, so now we've put them in order, we can now get our minimum value and our maximum value. So our minimum value is 30 and our maximum is 71. So we have 30 and 71. We can now find our median, and our median is exactly in the middle. So one way of finding that is we can actually use a small rule for finding the median location, and that is n plus 1 over 2, where n is the number of data we have. So we have 20 data points, so we have 20 plus 1 over 2, which is 21 over 2, which is 10.5. So that is where my median is located. And what that means is that it's between the 10th number and the 11th number. So we can count them. 1, 2, should put numbers above them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And this is our 11th number. So our median is in here. So that makes our median is 48, because halfway between 48 and 48 is 48. So now we want to find our first quartile, and our first quartile is the median of the lower half of the data, or the midpoint of the lower half of the data. So because we have 10, that makes our life nice and easy, because we want halfway, which is between 42 and 43, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers there. So our first quartile is halfway between 42 and 43, which is 42.5. We can then find our third quartile by doing the same thing, finding halfway on the higher end of the data. So let's get 12, 13, 14, 15, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it'll be here, because this is 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So our third quartile is between 52 and 54, which is halfway between those is 53. So that's it. We found our minimum value, our maximum value, our median, our first quartile, and our third quartile. We listed them out, and we've created ourselves a 5-number summary.